Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on here, my name is Emmanuela Okon and welcome to my channel. So as you can tell from the description of this video, this is going to be a collective try on haul. So I haven't done like a try on haul in a long time, so I've like been piling up everything and I just decided to show you guys a few things. This might not be all of them, but if you notice like some items are not here or something like that, you can actually check my website, because whenever I have like a blog post or I'm trying to share my outfits, you can find that on my blog, because I always have this thing where you can shop like my IG looks, the exact items or like similar items to those things. So I seem like a bit tired because it's quite late and I'm very hungry, but I just wanted to get this video out for you guys to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, so let's get right into the try on haul. So first of all, I'll start with bottoms, like bottoms by the way. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, do not forget to click that subscribe button. So on this skirt, it's denim. I actually used it in my latest lookbook video, the summer one, so if you haven't checked it out, please do check it out. So this is from Guess Factory. I'm going to leave the links down for you guys to see like the exact items if I can find them, and you'll be seeing me try them on the screen. So yeah, next item is this skirt, and you guys won't believe this, but I think I got this skirt for like $16 or even less, because I got it from, this is from Forever 21, and I got it from like the sale section. And to be honest, they have so many nice things in the sale section. You just have to be patient, because honestly I'm not patient, and like when my sisters go there, they always find so many nice stuff, but like this skirt was like worth it. It has this checked print on it, as you can see. Next outfit is this skirt I got from Topshop. So I actually used this for a photo shoot, and it's this checked helmet skirt from Topshop. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this is really nice. It's really like it really hugs your body, right? It's not loose, and I really like how it feels like in the hip area of your body. This is very nice, and I really like it. So I'm not even sure they have this one, but if they do, I'll link. Next item is this camel pants. I got this camel pants from Zumiez. You guys will see when I try it on. I mean, so many colors, right? But obviously your girl wanted to get the ones with the purple one. They come in different colors, and I got a small in this one. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, for the Guess skirt I got a small, because their sizes are really weird. For the Forever 21 skirt I showed you, I got a small. And for the Topshop skirts, what size did I get? I got UK 8, which is US 4. So for this one I got a small, waist 27 into 31 inch. I don't know what that means, but yeah, I got this from Zumiez. So these pants, Shein sent this to me, so this was gifted to me by Shein. It's actually a two-piece. I'll probably show you the two-piece now, but like these are like the pants, and it's like these are like wide leg trousers, so like they have like this wide leg thingy, and it's really cute. So this is like the matching top. It's a crop top, as you can see. It's from Shein, so it's a crop top. This is really cute. I think we're done with the bottoms for now. Oh, actually the bottoms I have on right now, I got these from Susy Shier. If they're still available, I will link it in the description box. But these pants, I actually posted a video of me wearing them on my Instagram. I'll just leave the photo on the screen for you guys to see. So this is it. Now we're going to move on to like tops and like the up part, you get what I mean. So I'm going to start with what I'm wearing right now. So this is a Menace tee. It's by a brand called Iconic, and yeah, it's Toronto based. They're a Toronto based brand, and yeah, so this is like a t-shirt. You guys are probably going to see it on the screen. I don't think I should stand up, but like this is it. This is how the tee looks like. I really like it so much. Like it's really cute. It's unisex, like both male, both female. They can both wear it, and it's really nice. Yeah, so this is Iconic. I think they're launching their website again with new clothing pieces. Yeah, so you guys should shop from them. I'll leave the link in the description box, and there's international shipping, so they can ship to you in every part of the world. Guys, this summer I spent a lot of time buying like off the shoulder tops and tube tops. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would have noticed this. So let me show you guys. So this off the shoulder top is like smocked. Yeah, so you could see the material, really good quality. I got this from Garage in this style. I also got the army one, really unique. I've never seen anything like this. Very unique. I'm going to be linking everything, so don't worry guys, don't worry. I got it in yellow, and actually when I got this one there was a stain, yeah, but they gave me a discount for that because there's like a little stain here. So I probably got this for a lower price. I think it was 10% off the price, and this was $22.95. And yeah, for like this one's like the off the shoulder tops, I think I got them in a medium. Yeah, I got these in a medium. It just really depends on like how you want it to look on you and stuff like that. Another style was this one. I actually got this in this color. I don't know if yeah I didn't try this one on, but I used it for a photo shoot. I also got this in black. I tried the black one on, so you guys will probably see the black one on the screen. And this is from Garage as well. From Garage, this tube top thing, I got this one. I actually got this in a small. So for the other style, I got it in a medium. If you notice, for the smoked ones, I got it in a medium because they have this tight fit to it. So I suggest getting your actual size, not a smaller size. But for these, they don't really hold like your boobs like that much. So I had to get the small. So I got this one in this color, and I also got it in a black one. Yeah. And I think I used this in one of my fashion videos. I think it was my fashion film, so you guys will probably see this one there. Hey, also I got this tee, this vintage type of tee from Guess, so the actual Guess store. Yeah, I think it was about 60 something or so, but yeah, got these. This is actually from the men's section, and I really like this. I probably have the link to this exact one. It also comes in different styles, so you guys could check this one out. It's very good. I really like the style. This off-shoulder smocked kind of styled top. So I actually wore this a long time. Like I wore this to the movies like in February. So like I said, I haven't done like a try on haul in a long time. I hope this thing is focused. I haven't done a try on haul in a while, so I just really want to show you guys what I actually got for like this summer season. So I got this from Guess Factory. I really like the floral print. It also comes at the back as well. This is really cute, and I got this in a medium. Like I said, these ones you should get like a size up. Like you don't get something too tight, because like the material, which is like the smoked thing, is already like tight, so you don't get something too tight. Also got this from Guess Factory. but I didn't try this one on. This is just really cute. I'll bring it closer. I really like the style. I'll link it if I see it. This long sleeve tee. It has like this Aztec print thingy. I didn't try this one on, but I think I used it in a photo shoot. So if I have the photos here, I'll leave it for you guys to see. But I really like the design. It's really cute. Yeah. Next item is actually from an Instagram brand I checked out. Really good quality clothing, like literally. Like this one is really nice, and it's based in, the company is based in London, and it's this top. Really, it's really good for the summer season. Like very good. It's called Alerojasmine. So if you don't know who that is, you should go check her out, because I've been seeing her on like so many like famous Instagrammers like account, and I'm like, wow, the quality is really nice. And I can't actually remember the size I got this in, but if I do remember, I'm going to leave it on the screen because I can't remember. But this is very nice. It also came with shorts, but these are my size. So this is a small. Look at how it is. I feel like if you're a UK 6, this might be your size. So if you want this, give this video a thumbs up and comment in the comment section done, and that you have done this. And yeah, probably share this video too, because I will know if you share this video. So yeah, I'm going to be giving you this one for free. I'll be giving you this for free. All shipping costs by me, so I'll just be giving it for free because this is in my size, and obviously I want to give it out to someone. So from Alerojasmine, I got this. This is really giving me summer vibes. It's like this crochet top. I didn't try on, but it is very nice, and if you're wondering if it covers like the nipples, it really does. Like it does actually. This is really nice. I can't remember what size I got, but I think I got small. But if I do remember the size I got, I'll leave it on the screen for you guys to see. And yes, I think I am done here with like the clothing items. For like, let's say accessories, I got a couple of stuff. I just got 2 sunglasses. 1 second, I'll show you guys. So I got this sunglasses from Aldo. Okay, yeah, I got this from Aldo. If I can like find the link to this item, I'll link it for you guys. I really like how this looks. Okay, sis. Okay. Next one, these black ones I got from Aldo. I don't think I cleaned them, but like, yeah, I got this from Aldo as well. I wore this on one of my Instagram videos. Not Instagram videos, one of my Instagram posts. And to be honest, do you know the truth, guys? I can't really see with these. So these are just like fashion glasses. They aren't like, oh, okay, I can actually see, because honestly, I can't see well. But I like them. It's something I don't really have, okay? I also got like some glasses from this website called Frame. So I have like a discount code for like sunglasses. If you're based in like Canada or like outside Canada, like their glasses are really nice. So I'll probably leave the link to like their like website, because they're really good. I got 2 frames from there. I'll probably leave like the pictures for you guys to see. Like I got like 2 frames and they're pretty good, and I think they have a sale going on. So yeah, I love these glasses. So I think I've been able to like show you guys some of the things I have gotten. It might not be all of them, but like I always share like my outfits on my website. Yeah, so I think I'm done here. So I hope you guys enjoyed like this video, because there's a lot of like stores you need to start shopping at right now, because summer is here, guys, and school is September, but still we have to like make the best out of the summer, just enjoy ourselves and have fun before like the semester starts. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed like my content, if you enjoyed like the clothing pieces I showed you, and let me know what you think about this video. Do not forget to comment, share your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.